sobrang dali daw ng freelancing, na kapag nandito ka sa freelancing, automatic 6 digits ka na agad. Can we just not sugarcoat those? Because sobrang hirap kaya ng freelancing, especially before you get that first client. They didn't even talk about how difficult it is to learn freelancing, overwhelming, and burnout, and stress to get a client. Hindi nila pinagsasabi kung ilang rejections ba yung nakuha nila, paano yung negotiations, yung mga micromanaging client na yun, yung mga client na sobrang demanding. Bakit hindi nyo pinag-uusapan yung mga ganyan? Can we just be honest? Yes, the earning is much higher than what we offer here in the Philippines, pero yung reality na sobrang hirap makakuha ng client, yun dapat yung pinapakita nyo. Kasi hindi naman lahat are capable to get that client as easy as other people can talk about. Na pagka-apply may client ka na agad, na hindi na kailangan pang aralin yung mga skills na yun. Kaya yung mga ibang tao dito that they want to be a freelancer as well, they thought na nahihingi lang yung client. Pag nagtanong sila ng how po is magkakaroon na agad sila ng client, nakikita na agad sila ng 6 digits. Hindi po siya ganun. You need to learn a skill to offer it to international clients. Pero syempre, hindi naman agad forget na nag-offer ka ng skill is automatic ma-hire ka na agad. You will receive rejections ha, kasi sobrang dami talaga nun. And dun sa mga nagbabalak pong mag-freelance, please, wag pong gaano kataas yung expectation nyo na kapag nag-enter kayo sa freelance is makakakuha agad kayo ng 6 digits. Hindi po siya ganon. Since bago pa lang tayo, dadaan talaga tayo sa mga low rates. Sobrang daming freelancers ang sobrang nahihirapan ngayon to get a client because their goal is to get a client, not to do upskilling or not to learn skills. Skills talaga ang labanan dito, hindi yung get a client tas 6 digits na agad, hindi siya ganun, okay?